How to delete or remove price alert on IQ option. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are learning how you can easily remove a price alert in IQ option. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open your IQ option application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the left-hand side menu and look for the More button and click on it. Now from the More items, select Alerts. You'll be able to see all of the alerts that you've previously added. To delete the alert, you'll need to find the trash icon right underneath each alert and click on it. Now click on the trash icon once again and you have successfully deleted one of your alerts over there. After that, the alert will stop sending notifications. You can also edit the alert if you want, but if you want to get rid of it, you'll need to find the trash can icon and delete it right away as shown in the video. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.